Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how did I make these printables using Canva and also Canva AI image generator. So first thing first, let's open Canva and let's create a simple A4 document. So next I'm going to add 2 text boxes. And once this is done, I'm gonna switch over to ChatGPT. And just to save some time, I already asked ChatGPT to write me 30 most popular quotes. And I'm gonna pick one of them and copy this over to Canva. And now it's gonna change the font and also the size. And next I'm gonna duplicate the quote and I'm gonna make the chains bigger than the rest of the text. And now I'm just gonna move the things around a little bit. I'm gonna also change the spacing of the letters. And it looks pretty decent, so I'm gonna move it down here. And next, let's go to Elements and let's choose Generate Your Own. So once again, just to save some time, I already rewrote the prompts. So I'm gonna take the prompt and copy this over to Canva. And in this prompt, I wrote a woman wearing sunglasses holding a flower in watercolor style on a pure white background. And let's see what the AI will generate us. So I'm gonna pick this one and I'm gonna just move things around until it looks all good. And yeah, our first design is ready and all we need to do is press share and download. But I'm going to duplicate the page and I'm going to make the rest of the designs. And let's move on to the next design and next prompt. So in the next prompt, I wrote a happy woman wearing a long green dress, holding flowers shaped like heart, walking on the street in abstract style on a pure white background. And now we're gonna pick one of them and I'm just gonna move things around, make it bigger and just make it look all good and nice. And once this is done, we're gonna duplicate the page again and we're gonna make our next design. So this time I wrote a happy woman wearing a long floral dress, holding a flower shaped like a heart, walking on the street in abstract style on a pure white background. Look how many beautiful options we got. So let's move things around, make it look all good. And now we're gonna duplicate the page again. And with the last one, I also decided to change the quote. So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and copy a new quote. And this one comes from the legendary Steve Jobs. And in the last prompt, I wrote a woman wearing sunglasses holding a camera in fashion drawing style on a pure white background. and again, so many amazing images. Also with this one, I decided to change the font. And this one is ready, and I'm just gonna go through the rest of the signs and see if there's anything that I want to change. And I decided to change this one. So once everything's done, it is time to download, and just press share, download this PDF for print, flatten PDF, and if you have a pro version, definitely choose the CMYK colors, but if you don't, then RGB it is. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.